Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah, and today it's Monday. Back to it again. Last week was a tough week. Went through the ups and downs of a losing streak, man. Was able to go ahead and recover on Thursday, though. Friday, I did take a trade. Didn't know it was a good Friday. I closed it at open yesterday. So Sunday around 3 p.m. I just closed the trade just to get out of it, but you could see it shot up on me a good amount. I was in about right here and shot up on me a good amount. Would have stopped me out actually if I didn't do that because you could see I had my stop loss just above this wick here. So as soon as it did come up, it would have stopped me out. So saved myself from a little bit of a loss right there, but you could see it was just a fake out. It broke out, getting all the breakout traders who were assuming it would make it up top here and just reversed on them yesterday. So just like here, I thought we seen a clear break of structure. Here as well, we seen a clear break of structure, right? So you can see each low being broken, right? This low being broken here, this low being broken here, right? So now, I would have loved to have hit this trade. This is actually what I was looking for yesterday, but around, what time did it finally fall off? 350, it fell off. So with it falling off at 350, with it falling off at 350, I would have never taken that trade, right? So the trade I wouldn't have been awake for it. So I woke up about 4:45, I think, which was down here. So the trade had actually already hit about 50 pips. So now what I'm assuming is I like this little area, right? Now it's only a 15-minute ILC, 5, 15, 3, which you can see here. You can see it's a clear ILC right here in this zone. So what I'm hoping for is we can see at least a little bit of a retrace to the downside or to the upside up into this level, and maybe we could get a fall off. We have the breaker candle right here as well. Then we have the ILC. I'm going to keep it pretty tight with my stop loss. I don't want to have it too big because then technically we would need it right here, right? About 60 pips. And if it does happen to push up all the way up here, then um, I'd rather just get out of this one, take a small loss, and then hop onto a trade here. So I'm just thinking we could probably see something like that. So we'll see if we get a chance right here. So just to give you some insight on why I'm taking the trade. Hey, what's up, man? How's it going? Good morning. All right. So first, we got to identify the trend. Overall, we've been coming up for the most part, right? Especially last week, we got this big push up. So we're at a key zone right here where this resistance, we kind of draw this out right here. Oops, right about there. So we're at this key level right here. I'm going to keep this over here. Even though we know this is a key zone as well, you can see resistance, resistance, and then you can see a little bit of resistance here, but you could also see support, support. But we know that area is strong. We'll just keep it out to the side right here. Again, break a structure, right? RTO. So now we can kind of consider the same thing to happen here, and then hopefully we can break through the daily right here. So it's just a matter of time if the price is going to go ahead and give us what we want. But we have a downtrend, right? Lower low, even though that's a higher high. Lower low, lower high, lower low, hopefully a lower high, and then a lower low down to these levels here is hopefully what I'm seeing. Hopefully what I think we should see. And I think it could make it down to this daily just to break this low. Because if we zoom out a little bit more, we could see here, let's go to the 1 hour, right? We had the break of this trend line, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I would expect at least some type of fall off right here. So given what we got right here, We have ILC at 50%. Preferably, I'd like to have this up at the 60%, but we have an ILC at 50%, which we can still take. Then we have the 15, the 5. Let's see if there's a 3-minute available here. We do have a 3-minute, and then we have a 1-minute ILC as well. So I think we should see price come up to these zones right here, and we could go ahead and take the trade. Now you can see here on the 1-minute what it's been doing. Respecting the 20 EMA the whole way, breaks through the 20 EMA, respects the 50. Comes back down, respects the 20 EMA the whole way, breaks through it, respects the 20, or respects the 50, the 50, the 50, and gets back out of the 20. So it can still do that, but I'm just thinking that we can see price maybe stay at these zones right here. So let's see. Yeah, I think we're good to go to take this trade. We got multiple confirmations, so let's see if price gives us what we want right here. Let me check out US32 actually. Oh, US30 looks pretty nice too. You can see this level here, this ILC here is being clearly respected. Both sides, right? Man, this is what I originally wanted for Friday, I believe. Oh no, Friday I had it down here. So I would have took it out here if I took this trade too. We could delete that. I do see a break of structure here for sure because it broke this low and this low. So we could see a return to order. The only thing I don't see is a IOC kind of within this range here. Yeah, no ILCs here. Probably see one on the 5-minute right there. It's actually not bad if you think we could see price make it all the way back up top right there. We got the EMA, so this would be a good move in my opinion as well to take a sell off from up here. You have your stops just above here. It's kind of the same, right? About 60 pips. And we could hopefully take this trade down to the daily right here. So either of these trades I do like. So let's see if we get the opportunity to enter. I think this one's pretty clean too, just because we have an ILC. It's not a strong ILC, but we do have an ILC inside of this ILC turned resistance to support along with the EMA. So I think there's a chance that that can happen. So yeah, let's see what we got. Up on YouTube. Let's see if we get what we want right here. Oh, price is getting a little push down right here. It's 30. It's coming up a little bit. And that's the other thing. We kind of been seeing the switch of price kind of pushing up for US30. They're just doing the opposite for US30 and now. So that's been a little bit different as well. So let's see what happens. Binary Vanessa. All right, babe. I love you. Have a good day. Hope not. Damn, it's coming through already, so yeah, I wasn't really expecting, so we'll see right now. All right, I love you. Still moving. I don't know. We might just see this thing stay away from us. Maybe US30 is the move if it keeps coming our way. We got about 2 minutes left till open. Still nice, right? Still at that 50%, so could still take this level. Got the IBC here. Same thing with US30. So either of these trades are good in my opinion, both of them. So we'll see if, but they could fall off here. So that's the other thing, you know. I'm not gonna take the trade if it retraces up to this ILC here at 23%. I just won't do it. Not anymore. Listening to traders, you take the best setups and that's it. You know, like this right here would have been a perfect setup. You know, we go a little heavy because we know there's a lot of resistance right here. Here's a little bit more riskier. We're just trying to go ahead and continue on with the trend, but this would have been the trade where you go heavy, take the trade, get out, you know, catch your 100 pips or whatever you want to do, whatever your strategy is. But yeah, whew, let's see what happens. Got about a minute left till open. Let's see if we got an opportunity to enter and ride this thing out. So open happened. Didn't really see the push up that I would have liked to have seen. US30 might be coming our way, right? That might be the move that we have to take right here. To push up to these levels. I'm not taking anything right here. You can see it's kind of rejecting. Damn, look at US30. Damn, yeah, NASDAQ's still falling. And for me, I'm just not going to take this trade right here. You know, so if we see a retrace back up, that'll be the trade that I take, right? If we see it come back up, it's getting a little bit closer to that golden zone too, right? So if we do see this retrace, that's the move I'm trying to take. Nothing really in between that. Damn, US30 is gonna fly out. That shit just might fall off. Looks like it will. There is a lot of support here, but you can see just how much downward pressure there is. I don't think there's nothing stopping that shit. Look at that. Oh yeah. 1 minute's coming down pretty crazy. Um, yeah, I think it should fall off from here. NASDAQ might give us an opportunity to enter, but I doubt it, you know, at this point. Oof. This just makes this trade a little bit more, what do you call it? I like this trade a little bit more right here. Damn, my uncle caught a clean ass US30 trade. He's been up since 2:30 in the morning though. So he caught it probably around this time. He's up a good amount. And he's up pretty big right now. 150 pips, over $1,500. Killed it. We got news coming out today. Not really big news today, right? So we got this. If they're yellow folders, it's usually nothing. But we do have a lot of FOMC meetings, it looks like. And then Wednesdays where the big shit comes, of course CPI. Then we got FOMC meeting minutes, unemployment, PPI. Yeah, so the end of this week is when it gets rough. So we gotta definitely look out for that. You can see this low broke, right? For a lot of breakout traders. This is why, for me personally, I would never do breakouts of the indices, just because you could see what happened here. Got a quick breakout. What did it do? Came back up, what, 25 pips quick. And we could still see that continue to happen. So, but I think we should see it continue down like the NASDAQ here. Yeah, here's the trade. See it's building up a little bit right here. See what happens though. US30 or NASDAQ and US30 were both beautiful trades. I just wish I was up to catch them. Damn. Both very, very beautiful trades. This one right here, the 15-minute. So let's take a look at this because I think these are probably, oh, it's still kind of using this as support, this ILC. But if you take this, go up here, do it something like that. Actually, it wouldn't have been the best trade. I don't know if I would have taken this one. I would have probably waited for price to get up to this level here. Well, who knows? Maybe once it did this, I probably would have hopped in and did something like this. You know, but yeah, you can see right here, this was the actual move. Boom. Right at the body, 38%. Maybe I had something like that. Take it down. Shit. NASDAQ is still falling. This was the cleanest move right here. I kind of hate that I didn't catch it. And I think we could start seeing the end of a lot of shit. I mean, a lot of people are worried about what the market can do with all this news coming out with BRICS and all these countries teaming up against the U.S. And I'm like, shit, who knows what could even happen at this point. Um, but very much of a trade now. I mean, there's still this trade, and I'm gonna put my alert right here. It's approaching. Every time approaching golden zone sell off. Delete that. So yeah, at this point, 69 to 95, about 25 pips away. So we'll see if it gives us an opportunity to enter these ones, these trades up top. I'm gonna get away because I get tempted, and I'm already getting the itch to make some money. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and step back, and we'll see what happens. Oh, US30 is kind of making its way up too, huh? Let's see here. Yeah, right up here in that golden zone still. Only thing I don't like is that it's a weak ILC. It's the one thing I don't like. Now see, I would 2 weeks ago I would have been taking this trade, a sell off, but now I'm gonna just trades that matter to me and my strategy. Those are the only things I'm taking from here on out. So gotta keep it with that state of mind. You can see something's bringing US30 up and something's taking the NASDAQ down, right? So not sure what the difference is right now, but we can obviously see that price is kind of doing its thing now. Finally got out of the IOC too, so if we back up, let me show you why it's all purple right here. This is the 78.6 sell-off IOC. As you can see right here. 78.6. Let me show you why it's 78.6. Boom. Alright, 78.6. That's why I colored it out purple. And this is the daily. So I think overall we're still pretty bullish, but I think with the news going on, 78, it was just perfect timing, right? You can see key rejections right here, and once price got up in here, now it's headed back out. So we'll see if price gives us an opportunity to enter again for a sell-off, but you never know at this point. It's pretty obvious that price is coming down pretty strongly. And we'll see if it gives us a chance to enter. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out now, or get off now, so I can not fuck up. But thank you guys for tuning in with me today. Shit, it's it's a bittersweet day because I did have my trade in like right up here, just above this. But like I said, it came down. Where did it come down at? what was it like right here? Yeah, somewhere right here. As soon as it came down, I just pulled it just because of what I seen here. It's like, you know what, let me just get out. $36, I think, with swap charges. I came up with 21. So um, overall, I'm happy because I would have taken about a $300, $400 loss. So it's not bad. I'll take it. Um, oh shit. Yeah, that looks pretty fucking bullish right there. That's crazy. Might be down to take a small trade right here. The way it's pumping right now, it kind of worries me because this 15 minute is going to finish super bullish. But if we could see price make it up to the zone, have a 30 pip stop loss, I'd be down to take this trade. So let's see what happens right here. See if we can get it up. See what happens right now. Hopefully we can take this sell. Let's see. So right now we're at this IBC, right? So this is key. I'm not taking the trade there. I'm taking it up here though with the EMAs. See, it could fall off right there. I think that's the 5 minute probably. 20 EMA. Yep, look at that. But I'm not taking it there. Waiting for my ILC. See if we can make it up top, man. Man, looks like NASDAQ is still coming down. Ugh, that was the trade right there. NASDAQ was the trade. NASDAQ is basically down about 250 pips right now. See this? Off of that buy ILC. Oh no. Sorry, my math's off. 184 pips. That's crazy, dog. All right, let's see if we get this opportunity to enter right now. Damn, it's gonna fall off from here, huh? Give me a second. I'm gonna hit the restroom. Hungry, dude? We got a shot. Ah! It looks like it's falling off from here. Damn, and Nas is still falling. Holy shit. Silas, Silas, Silas. 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 Just thank you. You want one of these? Yeah. Yeah? You hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah? There you go. There you go. See, this is even, it's clean right here. I like this. Even though the EMA is stretched out way far below now, we can probably see the 15 minutes showing up pretty soon, yeah. But these things might just keep coming down. It might be one of those things where the market's just going to continue to fall. Basically, what I wanted to happen was the market to fall last week because of all the news coming out, BRICS information. I'm like, shit, how could the market keep going up at this point? But it did, and you can see that right there. It's pretty clean. This was the absolute bomb right here. 191 pips. That was it. That was the move.
What do we have that I can make?
Hmm?
What do we have that I can make?
What do we have that we can make?
I can.
Yeah, I think this shit's out of here, fellas. Ladies and gents. I think we're gonna see this probably continue down. So I'm gonna hop off, and yeah, we'll see if tomorrow gives. Well, it might come up. We'll see if tomorrow gives us an opportunity, or maybe today we see a little opportunity here to take this sell. So we'll see what the market gives us, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys for tuning in, though, man. Thank you.